Oh no, I hope another one hasn't been poisoned. I've never seen a bald eagle floating in the water before. Maybe he's got a coot and he's not letting go. I don't know. That's concerning. I wonder if he'll fly off if I walk down there. Guess we'll see. Oh, there he goes. He must have had a coot. He's circling now. Oh, there he goes. Yep, he was trying to drown him. Oh, the things you see in nature here on the lake. Oh, here comes his buddy. It's those two again. I don't know how long a coot can stay down there, but I guess we might find out. We'll see. I'll let this run for 3 minutes and continue to circle him. It's supposed to be a bad pun if I say that guy's a sitting duck. And it'd be incorrect. He's a sitting coot. Oh, there he goes. Oh, there he is. Okay, we're at 3 minutes. Oh, it looks like he just grabbed him. Oh, nope, didn't get him. Well, are they giving up? One is, but one's still circling. No, he's clear over there. The other one's surfaced right over there. Let's see what he's gonna do. He's coming in for a swoop. Oh, he just dove down. Okay, well, we're gonna assume that that little guy might have made it. See, he's going off. Nope, it looks like they've lost interest. And the other one is up there hanging out in the tree. Oh, he's waving to us. All right, probably drying his feathers. All right. Good luck, little coot.